guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Test It Tuesday, and today we're doing it on some skincare. This is a brand that is out of Germany, but it's only sold in Europe right now. So if you want to see how these products work, then just keep watching. So I was contacted by this company who has just kind of started her company, and she asked if I would like to try our products and do a review on them. So I said yes. I think that the products seem really interesting because I am not a huge skincare person, only because I can't figure out the steps and what all steps are important, whatnot. And so I liked when I read her system, it was simple. It's 3 products and it makes it so much easier, makes more sense. So she's actually doing some rebranding. So it used to be called Baby It's Me, which is what her packaging here that I have says. But she's actually rebranding, changing the packaging, and it's going to be called System Akvile. I'm not sure how to say it, and I don't want to butcher it, so I'm just going to put it on the screen how to say it. But like I said, she's based out of Europe. Or based out of Germany, and it's only sold in Europe right now. I will link the website down below. She does plan to eventually be sold in the United States and in other places, but I know as of right now it's just in Europe. I have some facts about the company that I just wanted to go over. So the purpose of why she did it was for acne prone skin, which you can't tell I'm breaking out like crazy lately. And so she said she wanted to create a line that made the most sense for her type of skin, which is acne prone. Skincare is confusing and things get even more complicated when talking about products for acne. So she developed developed a line that will not dry out your skin. It supports skins. Products will work well together and make sense together and make skin and look and feel better. So it is vegan, it's gluten-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, no added colors. They do not test in the EU or in Europe. Apparently it's banned to test on animals there, which I think is awesome, and the United States needs to get on board with that. They have not relaunched it yet, but they will be soon, the new branding. Like I said, the packaging will be new, so this packaging that you're seeing now is not what it will look like. It's going to look different, but products itself are still going to be the same. It looks like next week they are going to be having a product tester application on their homepage, so it's at itsmebeauty.com plus free giveaways. So if you want to check that out, I will, like I said, link the website. But basically they have 3 products. So the first product is an exfoliant, and this says it's a 10-minute weekly mask for all skin types, but it's great for those with acne-prone skin and fine lines. Oh, it says daily exfoliant and 10-minute weekly mask. It says that this is 7% glycolic acid and 1.5% salicylic acid. Might not be saying that right. Then you have the Sos Treatment Solution. This is a spot treatment. Ooh. It says this is mostly for oily and combination skin affected by imperfections, but I feel like if it's a spot treatment, it'll still work for the dry skin. And then the last thing is the controlling cream and or moisturizer. We're gonna go ahead and test these out. So I'm gonna really quickly just take my makeup off and I will be right back. Alright, so now that our makeup is off, we can go ahead and start using these products. One thing I did want to mention is it did come inside of this little container, which on the back does explain everything that I just said about the products and what they do. It also has a list of all the ingredients on each one too, which is really nice. And then it does come with this card which tells you like step 1, step 2, step 3, how to use it. So we're gonna use this one first. So this is the exfoliant, which typically I would say how much comes in the product, but since she's rebranding, I don't know if her sizes are gonna stay the same. So I don't see the point in saying that, just in case they do change. So it says step 1 is the exfoliant. So you can use it as a daily exfoliant, which you use once or twice daily. Apply a small amount to the skin after your face has been thoroughly cleansed and dried. Do not use on wet skin. Okay, that's good to know. Massage gently into the skin with your fingertips in circular motions and then rinse off with warm water. Do not use on your eyelids and avoid direct contact with eyes. So that's for the daily exfoliant. If you want to use it as a mask, it says to achieve a deeper, more effective exfoliant, use this product twice a week, ideally evenings, as a 10-minute moisturizing exfoliating mask. It says follow instructions long, but do not leave on for longer than 10 minutes. Okay. So let's go ahead. We're just gonna put it on the back of my hand. I do like that pump. Woo! So it said a small amount, so I feel like that should be enough. Did fair warn me, because there's no fragrance in here, you can smell what the products smell like. So the product is, like it said, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, so you do smell that. So it does kind of smell like, I want to say acid, but not, what's a good word? It's not acid, but I guess, yeah, if you were thinking of that, that's what it does smell like. But that is also what the product is, and since there's no fragrance, there's nothing to cover that smell. But it's not so intense that it's like bugging me. But I'm gonna go wash this off with warm water and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I washed my face off, it does feel pretty smooth. It did come off really easily, which is nice. It did take off some of the dead skin I have, which it's nice for me. That was nice so far. So let's go on to the next one, which is step 2 is the treatment. This is just the spot treatment. So it just says to apply to your affected areas. So I'm having really bad problems around my chin, and then I have like, they're hard to see, but they've been under the skin just sitting there forever. Like I feel like they've been there for 2 weeks. It doesn't really say if this is something you need to clean off. This one really doesn't have much of a smell. Like I can smell something, but it's nothing so strong that I can even tell what it is. For that one, I feel like I'm just gonna have to tell you over time. So if you want me to do a second video to this of kind of just saying what the results were after a while, let me know and I will do that. But so far that seems nice, but like I said, with skincare, it's not really a right then gonna find out. But so then we're gonna just go on to step 3, which is the controlling cream. So it says to apply this twice a day, morning and evening. If you have sensitive skin, only apply in the evening. It's for, let's see, to remove impurities, first wash and exfoliate your face, then apply the cream. Do not put on your eyelids, avoid blah blah. Regular use of this product in 3 to 4 month period may generate significant results. Be patient. This cream, however, is not designed as a medical treatment. So basically this is kind of like just the controlling cream is just basically a moisturizer, it sounds like. So this doesn't really have a strong smell. It just smells natural, if that makes sense. Like it smells like just ingredients. I don't know how else to explain that. It just smells like ingredients. It does feel very nice on the skin. It's not too thick of a moisturizing cream, and it's not like very liquidy either. It's kind of like that happy medium. So far so good. Okay, so that is all of the products. Like I said, it comes with the exfoliate, the Target spot treatment, and then that controller cream or moisturizer. Overall, I think the products are really nice. As far as I know, she was emailing me telling me that it does have a smell of a chemical smell that people have been saying, but and it does make sense because since there isn't a fragrance, obviously it's gonna still smell like something. So it's smelling like the glycolic acid. The exfoliant does. The other two, I can't really pinpoint what they smell like. They just smell like an ingredient. I don't know how else to explain it. Like this one kind of reminds me of the smell of vitamins, if that makes sense. So far, I think the products are really nice. Like I said, I won't know if they have any good results until afterwards, since this is more of a first impressions. Actually, this is a first impressions. So if you want me to let you know how they work over time, let me know and I can make another video. That's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.